right, in today's Unit 1 test, I'm going to go over what is expected, how to do each section in case you need to go back to review. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Classroom. Okay. I've made a Unit 1 checkoff list. So as you're taking the test, you can check each section off. If there's an area that you're confused about, then you'll be able to go back and watch the video, and then watch it and then see if you can do it. If you're not able to, then you're going to need to ask for help, and then I can write down who needs help with what. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Classroom, and on class in Classroom I have three images here. You're going to click on them. You're going to right click, and then you're going to save image as. You're going to save the image to your H drive. Mine says E, but you have H. And then you'll save it. You're going to save all three images. Okay. Then you're going to go open up Premiere Pro. You're going to say New Project. Now, name your project Unit 1 Test. Okay. And then remember, we always want the location, as we've learned, to go to your H drive. Okay. And you can say choose location. And then now mine's called backup B, but yours is H. So have it go to your H drive. Okay. And then I will say create. Okay. Now, if your screen does not look like mine, we've talked about this. Go to Window, Workspace, All Panels. Window, Workspace, All Panels. Okay. Now, the first thing you do is you have to drop your media in to create your sequence, right? So you go to Media Browser. You're going to go to your H drive. Okay. Or maybe I saved mine on my desktop. Okay, I saved mine. Okay, you go to your H drive. I saved mine under my downloads. No, no, mine are saved on my. Sorry, mine are saved on my backup. Okay. Well, I'll use some other. Okay. So you're going to go to your H drive, get your three images. So one. Okay. Now, when it inserts the image, it goes to Unit 1. But go back to Browse, get your next image. Okay. Back to Media Browser, right? And then get your third image. Now, remember, you can adjust here. So I'm going to get my third image. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3. 3 images. Okay. Now, the next thing I need you to do is make sure that they're no longer than 5 seconds. So literally just hit the space bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clip it. You can use your razor and clip it. Get your arrow and delete. Move it over. The other thing you can do is you can grab it and just move it so it's about 5 seconds. Grab that and move it over. So you're going to have the 3 images that I have on Classroom. Okay. So these 3 images, I do not care what order you put them in, and make sure they're 5 seconds long. Okay. I need to know that you know how to do that. Then the next thing you need to do is add a title, okay, with your T tool, which we've learned and gone over. And I'm going to write in Ceres High School. Okay. And you can adjust and move your title where you want it. Okay. And again, you can drag it in. So Ceres High School, you have your 3 images. The next thing I need you to be able to show me that you understand is how to add transitions. So over here in effects, okay, again, if it's not showing up, you go Window, Effects. In your effects panels, you're going to go to Video Transitions, and then there's all these transitions. So I'm going to go to Dissolve, and I like the cross dissolve. I'm going to drag and drop it in between my first 1 and 2. And then I'm going to do let's say an iris cross. And I'm going to drop that between 2 and 3. Okay. Now remember, if you don't like one, you click on it and you hit delete. Okay. Now I'm going to hit play. Okay. And that is exactly what you need to do for Unit 1 test. I need to know that you can import, you can open up a file, you can go to your media browser, you can import 3 images, you can have them be 5 seconds long each, and you can add a title, and you can add transitions. Okay? And then at this point, you're going to publish. So File, Export, Media. Again, you're going to name it Unit 1 Test. Okay? Make sure it's going to your H drive, okay? And then export. And then you'll add it to Classroom.